change in the way that we are doing business. So that is the status as of today. So I go to the next one. Okay. So what is happening? So if you see drugs and pharmaceuticals, if you are in that, it is doing good and it is expected to do good. If you are in that field, in drugs and pharmaceuticals, their recovery period is good. Their production is going to be high. Livestock is going to be high. It's going to be up because it is not affected, and people are expecting the daily expect no their support on that. Okay, what is not doing good is not going to expect doing good is banking. Okay, they have a high NPAs, that is the non-performing assets. Tourism has taken a huge hit, right from say Tirupati or from any other place. The total there is stoppage of people going to this unprecedented changes. Okay, tourism was one of the most biggest drivers of economy for India, and that's what we were looking in multiple things before the COVID shutdown. Actually, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that someone should go and visit at least 5 places in India. All those things have taken a big hit, and it's an economy which is an economy in itself. If you see that say the temple towns like in South India, which is like Navagraha home, no Navagraha places, or in this side if you go to Shirdi on the top, if you go to Mathura and all those places, there is a huge way that stoppages of people are not able to go. Okay, if you say Goa or Pondicherry, people are no not going. So because of this reason, what is happening is these are the economy which is driven by tourism, which is going to take a big hit, and in the near future we are not expecting it to come back. So supports like hotels, eateries on the road. Suppose you go from a place to a place on the road, the eateries were there. So these things are getting hit big time. People who have invested in eateries and those things are getting big time hit. So tourism and is going to be a major hit, and we are not expecting this to know in near time to uh, uh, grow up anytime. So as of now, then we see automotive. Automotive was anyway under the depressed line because it was not doing good. One of the reasons they mentioned was about the GST being changed. Because of that, there is a free transport, and that's the reason there's a lot of efficiency that was brought in into the transport sector. That is the reason there was a huge change in the automotive sector forecast. One other reason about the automotive forecast is that we have lot of domestic production that we are planning to do. So there's a lot of changes that we are expecting. And now, since the production or the construction, as I told in the previous thing, there is going to be a much bigger hit. Automotive is not recovering as of now. So automotive, may the government is expected to bring in some respite here by injecting some support, but as of now, it is going to be a distressed sector, and automotive is also is employing a huge number of people. They are going to get affected. We have to see how things going to change there. And
Mute.
again, okay, I would like to take the questions at the end of the session. Okay, so I'm
Hey,
Okay.
எல்லாம் மேல உங்களுக்கு
Hey.
எல்லாம்
அண்ணா
என்ன பண்ணானே?
ரெக்கார்டிங் பண்ணிதான் வரணும். ரெக்கார்டிங் தான் ஆயிட்டு ரெக்கார்டிங் காமிக்குது. எல்லா வீடியோல இருக்கிறாங்க இம்மட்டுக்கிறோம்.
okay. I'm everyone.
அதாவது
Okay. So, the entertainment again is a huge no effect because all the production houses have gone there. The support actors is a huge economy in itself. That is also uh, uh, there is a big stoppage there, and sorry. So entertainment and automotive, if you see automotive is hit and entertainment is also going to hit, but slowly there are different ways that people are bringing wherein you can have your no social distancing but still ensure that. But big time entertainment is going to be a hit. And if you are talking about doing the recording or shooting in multiple different tourist locations, that is also going to be a hit. So more or less, we are expecting them to be in-house kind of no entertainment to start with immediately. in a way, it is going to be a tough challenge for entertainment. Okay. Now, if you see wholesale, retail, and non-food items, it is going to pick up because you can do the purchase online, and a lot of okay. Now, shops are also going to get opened from this week, and we are expecting in near future the shops and malls to be open. But there will be a lot of challenges there also. But they are going to pick up because consumption is the retail consumption is going to go up. Textiles is going to go up only if you see, and it is not. We are not expecting much change in there. So major, if you see the segment which we are facing issues, is will be banking, tourism, automotive, and entertainment. Which is going to be okay will be pharmaceuticals, livestock, retail, and textiles. Coming to the next one, which is another a big sector, if you see that is the hospitality sector. Okay, the hospitality sector again is going to be a major hit. If you see that lot of homestays, hotels, OYOs, and OYO has, if you see the indication, OYO has laid off a lot of people, and the hospitality business has taken a big hit. There may be some revival by way of takeaways, but still people will be scared to go to some big places to have their food. So takeaways will be good, but as of now, it's going to be unaffected of this one. Electronics is going to be again electronics, big time electronics, white goods as we call. People are going to people will not be uh, people will not be will be hesitant to immediately do the purchases on white goods or consumables. They just are postponing their purchases on the big ticket items. So they are going with what is going on and see that how the market is going to improve upon. So we are not expecting the electronics also to recover in the immediate future. So these are the few sectors that we have done some analysis. This is the source by which we have gathered the information. So there are few sectors which we feel that how they are going to do in the future. So if you are planning to have your in your future, so there are two ways to look into it. If this sector is not doing good, that if you join, maybe you will bring some change, some differentiator that you can bring in, and you can do a huge change. As they say that the higher the risk, higher the returns. So these are the high risk things. Maybe uh, if you jump into a high risk thing, you can always be successful. Okay. So next is that what are the scenario as of now? So the technology and ICT companies, basically the people who are supporting the technology, the platforms, digital platform supporters, e-commerce leaders, these guys who are the base or things, they are sure winners here. So they are going to go. The stock of these people are going to go up. If you are part of this technology team, if you are partnering with them, these are going to go up. Oh, and say in the scientific collaboration, so becoming in a global stage now. If you are earlier, it was just limited to your place and this one. Now collaboration has got a new meaning. People are collaborating in multiple places, and it's a win-win situation everywhere. Now people are trying to find solutions rather than trying to find. So one of the points that we have seen is that a highly capitalistic economy are suffering the most. If you see that the countries which are doing huge kind of total support of capitalist, too much of freedom, that way I will not say exactly freedom, but too much of capital infused or capital intensive thing, those companies, those countries have taken a big beating. But a lot of socialist based countries have taken initiative, and they have tried to damper the by way of providing social solutions. Okay, there are a lot of things that is social way. So one of the things that we have read is that between human and capitalism, if you have chosen between life and money, which you have chosen, will define the way that how things gone. Some countries decided to go with money, and situation is different. Some people decided to go with human stock, and how they have reacted. So difference on looking at how we are looking, but generally when we see that, we are seeing that a good hyper collaboration at the scientific, at the global scale is happening. Okay. Now, Milton Friedman, so he is one of the noted author. He has told up one major thing is that we are always changing. Okay, we are keep on evolving. Things are changed. The business that we used to do 2,000 years ago, 3,000 years ago, different. People were still working, and people are going to work today also. People will be earning. People will be earning that time also. We will find a means to do, our earning. So that is a major thing. So only thing is that how we are doing, we cannot go back to a conventional way of doing business, a conventional way of doing our work. So we have to rethink. A lot of things is going. I'm going to talk about it shortly, but only as Milton Friedman says, only a crisis, actual or perceived, produces a real change inside the system. Okay, when this crisis occurs, the actions that are taken depends on the ideas that are lying around. One of the things is that we have to keep looking into ideas, brainstorm, come out with new things. That I believe is the basic function. Okay, to develop alternatives to existing policies, keep them alive and kicking and are available until the politically impossible becomes politically inevitable. So a lot of things are changing. If you see that 100 years before, the way that we were doing, so we see that now e-commerce have come up. They have taken up a huge change. We have the way that we travel. Suppose you see a taxi, we have Ola and others. Earlier we were, hassling, trying to find out an auto for our place to go to one place to another. Now it is all online book. So the transport is same, but the way of doing the transport has changed. So technology is the key to our future, but we have to use it wisely. So with this, I'm going to stop this session because going to take a 5-minute break because the next session is going to start. Okay. So I'm please start. Please join me the second meeting now because Zoom gives me only half an hour, 40 minutes actually, so we spend 10 minutes there. So I'm going to close this session and we will rejoin in another 5 minutes.